sa mayong tulong ka feedback kan ninyo. So, itong duha ka ay
sa ila sulti sa training na pamoy or recommend or so. So anything basta in general about sa training.
First of all, I would like to thank the Philippine Red Cross Silomas chapter for this very knowledge, very informative training seminar kaning sa PLS, and also sa among mga CIs, would like to thank you, sir, for this opportunity. And to our classmates for being here. Salamat po guys. You made this good kay mga student nurses, which will be in the future, mga nurses. So, ako should do problem. Like, ako should i-wish as a student nurse kay katong makatabang when kanang emergency pa. Kay wala jud ko kabalo kung magunsa jud ko kung naay jud magpuwet gira magkiri-kiri or usa kanang naay maghinga-hinga dira wala jud ko pagsabot. So karon naay seminar murag na ako'y nakatunan, and hopefully magamit din ako in times naay emergency. And what else?
Okay, so first and foremost, I would like to thank you, sir and ma'am, for having patience and time for all of us. And then, what I would say is that the big learner, especially personally me, dealing at our own sa una, so the big learner na due to ay sa kami ang time nga kanang nakatadiri kay kanang ko personally learn, especially sa mga bandage kay nagkapuan sa kugabi o search for kay wala man di ba wala ta naka-practice gahapon, so that's it. And then sa simulation kini na kay it was good. Bisag ang weather kay kanang it's like nauban.
Sir, my name is Emmanuel. Asa pala yung question? The final question is, that is, and was. So, actually, when I was way back pa first year, the ROTC, though ROTC was helpful to me and for all of us here. Am I right? Yeah. Am I wrong? I did not. After that, naka-remember ka didn't give me if naaga ni in front of me mapiyapag na ay mabalian, ma-fracture, ma-dislocate ang bone or something painful. I would like to na ako acknowledge nga gikan sa karon na acknowledge nga from Red Cross, and that's an opportunity for me to learn from. Thank you, sir. Kamsahamnida. Annyeonghaseyo.
First of all, on behalf of the Visayas State University College of Nursing, I would like to express our deepest gratitude to the Philippine Red Cross, the Lagos chapter, especially to Ma'am Eve, Ma'am Rosemary, Sir Salino, Sir Fernan, Sir Gomez, Miss Albayna, Ma'am Albayna, and Sir Kanda. And and the members of the RCY team, thank you very much. Training, very stressful kayo kay may tabig dates and times, hindi ka po schedule. Then, auto siya, may katsuyan, doon ako po dyan ako malayo siya. So, you need the skills, but do not know them. But know, Okay, so, to all level 3 students, okay, your dedication, okay, to attending the skills, bisa natin magkastuanan, kaya ato ka po din siyang Okay, this is a form of investment.
Okay, sige. So first of all, congratulations everyone for completing your basic life support and training no kanang. We hope nga, as said by Sir Franz, gabi na din ninyo magamit ang inyong skills in real life situations. Kaya that would mean nga na ay aksidente nga nahitabo sa inyong palibot. Pero, it's also essential nga kanang kahibaw mo nga mga skills. Kaya hindi man siya makadiktar kung pwede nga mahitabo ng mga emergencies, no? So, kanang, thank you so much as well nga kanang you were
Sige po din. Naglago ko. Okay, so I want to say thank you to Tanan for the patience and your participation. So I know it's very hard knowing that 2 days lang very from automotive. So challenge kayo ito. So dagang tayo mo knowledge na need ang kaupan. Dagang tuming knowledge for skills sa among diliman. Dahil inyo mga bawat kailangan kayo sa learn na need pasarod. Okay, so for me po, it's been a challenge po.
Good side or bad side? Okay. Bad side, 0. Good side, still 1 to 10. Okay. Diba ko po daghan mo nabaluhan din ako. Pero may masag po nasa ko na nabaluhan ninyo. As a trainer, dito din kayo yung mag-train ko mga inanging group. Dami natin mga nurse. Sa medical term ng nagbi ko nakatunan. Pag ligo sa mga titulang, hindi ko na ito kakalimutan. Yan ang ano.
I will not be speaking as your instructor, but I will speak as your future colleague in the nursing profession soon. Ang ako lang, because a good nurse on God is dili lang enough na maayo ka theory, maayo ka sa book, but dapat maayo ka sa skills. Diba? Kaya mag-unsa man na nakita ba man ang imong basahan sa anatomy, sa physiology. Diba? So, ako lang advice or top-log is that when I was still like you, mag-duty ko sa hospital, mag-alig-alig din ko kung na-perform na skills like suctioning, colonoscopy care, tanan na skills because kabaman ko nga magamit din na ako kung trabaho na ako. So, this is to certify that raise your name. Underwent the Philippine Red Cross Occupational First Aid and BLS CPR training on September 11 to 12, 2024 at ARIC BSU Barangay Pangasukan by Bailey. Upon which the passers of the evaluation examination conducted during the last day of training date and certified by the Philippine Red Cross Women's Chapter to practice the above mentioned course. The training was conducted under the supervision of Miguel Pixon, volunteer instructor for Safety Service, Philippine Red Cross Women's Chapter, and with my other colleagues. This certification is being issued for whatever legal purpose it may serve and shall be valid up until December 14, 2026 only. Chapter Administrator for Red Cross Women's Chapter. Castillion. Pomora.
Ang dengue o mga animal bites. Pero ang dengue o animal bites is after 1 month pa gikan sa inyong pag-member. So, ang date sa effective ana is September 13. So, after 1 month, usa pa po makagamit sa animal bites o sa dengue. Pero, if ever accident like vehicular accident, so magamit ninyo dayon. Pero simba ko lang, no? Pero in case of naibahita mo inform sa chapter after 10 days. Okay, kung within 30 days, kung dili mo pa-inform na mo nga sa member na accident, dili na mo maka-dawat sa benefits. Hindi mo maka-avail sa benefits.
Philippine Red Cross, Hilongos Chapter.